This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Adobe Premiere on your Mac. So I'm right here on this page right here. First things first, if you click on my link in the video description just below this video, I have a free 7-day trial for you. Once you've clicked that link, you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar. All you need to do to start download is to click on this Start Free Trial button at the very top. So we're just waiting for Adobe servers to load. Once they do, we will see the information presented here. As you can see, Premiere, the Premiere plan, so that's Premiere Pro, is selected right here. You can choose to actually select Creative Cloud Pro. This will get you 20 plus apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat Pro, and a number of other apps, including Premiere Pro. I should mention that's obviously comes in at a bit more pricey, but you're getting all of the Adobe apps for that. So we're just selecting Premiere Plan here. So this is individuals. There is a student and teacher discount currently through Adobe, as you can see there, and also they have a business plan separate. So once you've made your selection here, importantly, the 7-day free trial, you don't pay anything. You're entering your information here, but nothing will be collected until the 7-day free trial has elapsed. You can cancel at any time during that 7-day free trial. If you like what you see, you can stick around, but you don't have to. This is an entirely free trial. So once you click continue and you've entered your information, the download will begin, and that is how you will get Premiere, Adobe Premiere on your Mac. That is how you would download it. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.